outdoor burglar alarm solar power siren strobe. Unscrew the little screws to open the shell. Connect the pin holder to the standby power port. Tighten the 6 screws. Fix the bracket to the proper mounting wall with the screws. Push the bottom clamp of the solar power siren strobe into the slot of the bracket to fix it. After installation, ensure that the installation is stable. Code outdoor detector remote control with the solar power siren strobe. Press and hold the safe key on the bottom shell of the siren strobe, then trigger any key of the remote control several times. The code will match successful. Release the safe key. Press and hold the safe key on the bottom shell of the siren strobe, then trigger the temper-resistant switch on the outdoor detector several times. The code will match successful. Release the safe key. If the code is incorrect, you need to clear the code. Holding down both the 1 and 2 keys on the bottom shell for about 13 seconds or so, the siren strobe has cleared all the codes. Release the button.